Welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Thursday. Thunderous Thursday. Very appropriate because we actually had a thunderstorm come through last evening here in Sutter County, California. What a light show. I got to see part of it before I went into my evening meeting. Yeah, my computer the power went out for about 10 seconds. Dumped my computer. I was on a Zoom call. Oops. Everything's okay. Last night, I prepared my homemade spaghetti sauce. I did some alterations to the recipe that I will share, a little bit later. But you'll have the basic recipe that you can make your own. I served that over at Linguini. Linguini is one of my favorite long pastas. It's just, I don't know why, but it just is. So tonight, the champion is back out, and I'm making Pad Kee Mao, also known as Drunken Noodles. I have done Drunken Noodles before, a couple times. It's one of our favorites here in the house. This one's just a little different, and I got some new ingredients that I'm going to be playing with. At least one ingredient. All right, let's get to it. There's the champion, all oiled up, ready to go. Dutch oven for the noodles. Yeah, all right. So the protein I'm going to be using is chicken thighs. Of course, we'll have some garlic, onion, red bell pepper. I'm using serrano peppers because I can't get the Thai red peppers. Some tomato. One of the new ingredients, I ordered this off of Amazon. This is dried Thai sweet basil. You could use regular basil in this, but Thai basil is definitely, the what you want to use. It's a Thai dish. Green onion, and I'm using a flat dried udon noodle, which is more appropriate for this dish. And a little bit of oil for the wok. The sauce consists of oyster sauce, fish sauce, light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, and a little bit of brown sugar. So these are the goodies for tonight. I'm really looking forward to this. Oops, get some light. Forgot to turn the light on. As you can see, I really need a haircut. I need a shearing. Yeah. It was wonderful last night I actually started the sauce around three. By the time I got it all in the pot and ready to go, it was simmered from about 3:30 on. The house smelled wonderful. I tried making just a little bit of sauce because it's just me, but it doesn't work out like that. So one of the things I'm working on for, I think it's going to be Sunday, is a lasagna of some sort. Robert and I chatted last night. She kind of gave me an idea or two to make it different than your typical, flat leaf. Oops. Flat noodle, standard traditional lasagna. So that's kind of what I'm working on. I'm going to get my menu out probably later on today. So on this thunderous Thursday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.